Hello, Professor. This is Deep here, and I'll be creating this video in behalf of Group 1. So, these are our team members, consists of Andy Bandela, Deep, Mani, Olu, Rashid, and Vida. And these are our roles. So, Andy is our database developer. I am the full stack developer. Mani is the backend developer. Olu is the software designer. Rashid is the software tester and Vida is the front-end developer. Yep, that's it. And further, I'll be explaining the front end of our project. Thank you. Hello, Professor. This is Deep here. I'll be representing Group 1. So this is the work we have done. I'll be demonstrating the front end and the back end. So in this video, we have finished the work authentication, and as of now, the other links are not working. Only the dashboard and the login page have been worked on. So as you can see, this is the home page. Now, if we want to move to the dashboard, uh, we click the dashboard. But since we are not logged in, it will prompt us with the login page. Now, I have saved login credentials over here, so I'll be logging in, and this is how we enter the dashboard. So the other links are not implemented right now. We have not configured them as of yet, but this is how our front end looks. So also when we log in, if you can notice over here, there's this login button over here, but as soon as we log in, it changes to log out. So when we click log out, it goes to login. That's how this is. We will be working on the other pages in the next coming weeks, and that's it. Thank you for your time.
Hello, my name is Olu. I am the software designer and the project manager for this project. Um, I'm just taking this short period of time to show you the code side of things. Um, my colleague Deep has described the website from the other side. So this is the front-end code um, from the project, as you can see from my development environment. This um, is the source code, and this is describes the index HTML that shows how we enter into the application. And then these are the assets that we use in the application, starting from the CSS files, the font awesome, files. We also have the images that we use for the application, as well as the JavaScript bundle. Then the application proper, we also have the app module, which shows the application entry point, the app routing module, which shows the routes that we have worked on so far. We also have the app component HTML, which shows the header and the footer of the application. And then going down, you can see the authentication service that we use for authentication users. You can also see the guard service that we use as a root guard to ensure that people that are not logged into the application cannot log in, cannot access the hidden pages in the application. This is the partial section that shows the footer and the header components. I will not be going too deep into that. And these are the pages that we have implemented so far, the login page, the home page, and the dashboard page. And then finally the model where we did the data source and the link for the backend has been implemented. So everything is here for the front end. I will now go ahead to describe the back end also. Hello, welcome to the second part of this code description. I'm going to be talking about the backend code, and I'm going to be showing you the backend code. So the backend code for this our project is a very clean backend where we put together all the components that is used for providing the API service. So this is the app.js, the entry point into the application. This is um, an, a just a web page that describes, the back end, um, so that when we launch it, people know that it is running. This is the roots, JavaScript. This is the public um, components like the CSS files and the Bootstrap files that we use for the root JavaScript. These are the node modules. These are the models. The only model we've created so far is the user.js. And then we also have our middleware introduced here. And then our controllers is also located here that describes that helps us in terms of processing our request. And then this is our database config file. So that is just in a nutshell an attempt for us to describe our application.